Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, I'm going to show you a very beautiful shawl pattern. It's very easy and suitable for a beginner. It's 14 inches wide and I made it 70 inches long. You can adjust the width as well as the length. Let's begin. I used about 570 meters of category 3 or light worsted weight yarn and a 4 mm crochet hook. To begin, make a slip knot and work 85 chains. If you want to make it in any other size, just make chains in multiples of 13 plus 7 extra. After completing the chains, we'll start the first row. Make a double crochet in the 13th chain from the hook. So skip 12 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 and work a double crochet in the 13th chain. Chain 5, double crochet in the next chain, then chain 4, skip 5 chains, double crochet in the next chain. We'll start the repeats. Chain 4, skip the next 5 chains, double crochet in the next chain. Then chain 5, double crochet in the next chain, chain 4, skip the next 5 chains and work a double crochet in the next chain. So these will be repeated throughout. We'll start the second row, make 5 chains, single crochet in the chain 4 space, in the next chain 5 space work 4 double crochets, 2 chain and 4 double crochets. Okay, now we'll start the repeats. Work single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, then in the next chain 5 space work 4 double crochets, chain 2 and 4 double crochets. Repeat this across. When you reach the end of the row, in the last space work a single crochet, then chain 2 and a double crochet. Next is row 3. Start with the chain 5 and then work a double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 4, double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Then we'll start the repeats. Chain 4, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet in the next chain 4 space. Chain 4, double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this across. Chain 4, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet in the next chain 4 space. Chain 4 and then double crochet in the next chain 2 space. After double crochet in the last chain 2 space, work 4 chains and then in the last space work double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. Next is row 4. Start with 3 chains and then work 4 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Single crochet in the next chain 4 space, then 4 chains, single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Then we'll start the repeats. 4 double crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Single crochet in the next chain 4 space, then chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 4 space. In the next chain 2 space work 4 double crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet. Repeat this across. Finish the row with 5 double crochets in the last space. We'll start the next row, which is row 5 with 7 chains. Turn and work double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet in the next chain 4 space. Then start the repeats, chain 4, double crochet in the next chain 2 space, then chain 4, double crochet, chain 5 and double crochet in the next chain 4 space. This is repeated across. After the last double crochet, chain 4 and double crochet, work chain 4 and then finish with a double crochet in the last stitch. So that's it. The last 4 rows are the rows that will be repeated, that is rows 2, 3, 4 and 5. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. So to increase or decrease the width, just make chains in multiples of 13 with additional 7 chains. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.